Hello everyone. Today I will present the personality profile for the pseudonym John. This is by Kaya Luna. The personality profile starts with 5 different approaches of personality theory. The one that will be used to create a personality profile will be the social/learning perspective. The social/learning perspective is primarily based on the development of sense of self, interpersonal relationships, and social/cultural factors all play roles in the development of personality. The framework of the social/learning perspective is dynamic in the sense that it involves interactions of people with their social environment. A cultural consideration to regard is the understanding that different cultures and backgrounds will lead to different ways of social learning. The individual whose personality profile will be created is John. John is an individual that I work with that is a leader in the company and was a great example of someone that could build great interpersonal relationships with others that he worked with. As a leader, he always would provide balanced feedback to employees and generally was always in a positive and uplifting mood at work. He understood what he had to do to get everyone on the team on the same page. He consistently tried to understand the social environment of the business and would make changes that helped the team grow and succeed. His success in his social environment allowed him to move to a corporate position to continue his success on a bigger scale. Personality profile, Twitter. Scrolling through John's Twitter account, it is very much the same John that I knew on a professional level. The photos he posts are with his new team and are always jovial and in celebration. He also has several videos of himself joking with his teammates and in general having fun. John has continually showed that his interaction with his social environment has allowed him to succeed in his current position. This is due to his ability to create positive interpersonal relationships with his coworkers, and also have a developed sense of self. The difference in the two would be that on a professional level, John was very open about his hobbies, family, and friends. On his Twitter profile, the main focus is on his position in the company and very little about items like his hobbies. This makes sense, although there are many that show all details of their lives on social media, many are very private on social media. Complex models. In a recent study on the effects of social learning in empowering leadership in the workplace, consistent with social exchange, social learning, and social identity theories, self-efficacy, and identification with leaders as mediators of the empowering leadership to work engagement relationship was examined. Results from 60 supervisors and 496 immediate direct reports revealed that empowering leaderships was positively and significantly related to work engagement as rated by their immediate supervisors, and that this relationship was fully mediated by self-efficacy and identification with leader. In an additional study of 32 individuals, it was shown that workplace friendship strengthened the relationship between ethical leadership and task performance. Thank you.